Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you best Shopify apps to increase in sales, get more sales with these apps. Before we get started, we have an exclusive Shopify deal for you down below in the description. Click the link and get the discount. This will help you kickstart your journey into your Shopify store, and this will also help our channel. Thank you very much. Alright, so now let's get started. So the first one is Judge.me product reviews app. This app is an excellent alternative to the popular Looks app. As you can see right here, this is Looks, and this is the most popular reviews app that is used by dropshippers right here in Shopify. And as you can see, they are quite pricey compared to Judge.me right here, where you can get all of the features already for just $15 per month. And Judge.me offers a clean, professional look with more options available on its free plan compared to Looks, because Looks doesn't really have a free plan available, but they do have a free trial. And this app would also allow you to easily import reviews from AliExpress and tailor them to fit your store's aesthetics, not just AliExpress, but also other shopping companies. And for those who are starting to start up without breaking the bank, Judge.me is a cost-effective solution that can give your store a polished, trustworthy appearance. Upgrading to the premium plan unlocks even more features, making it a versatile tool for new and seasoned owners alike. And as you can see right here, this is how it would look like. It's very similar to Looks right here, but you'd be able to save more bucks. And as you can see right here, and it's like that. You can upload videos and photo reviews right here, and this one also. So yeah, this is a really good one right here if you are looking for a reviews app, especially if you are just starting. Next, we have Assortion Upsell and Bundles app, a powerful tool for increasing your average order value, or AOV. In today's climate of rising advertising costs, it's crucial to maximize the revenue from each customer. This free app encourages customers to buy more, offering enticing bundle deals directly on your product pages. For example, you might offer buy one for $39.99, buy two for $20, which motivates customers to add more items on their cart. And this app is not only boosting your revenue, but also as a professional player to your product pages, setting your store apart from the typical dropshipping site. So this is how it would look like right here. As you can see, you can buy one, and when you buy two, you get 50% discount, 10% if you buy three, and so on. And yeah, basically you can customize this like this. So maybe when you buy three, you get like 60, and buy four would be 70, maybe something like that. But I think that is too big. But yeah, it is up to you on how you would set it up. And then as you can see right here, you can also go for bundles right here. So you could bundle three products, and as you can see, frequently bought together. You could add something like that on your product checkout so that they would have this enticing offer. And you have also your product add-ons right here, and as you can see, it looks very professional right here, minimalist yet professional. And right here you can see more of it. And yeah, this is basically how it would look like. And Assortion has a free plan available, which means you can use this for free, but of course with limited functionalities. And it also has a free trial for its paid plans. And when you want to go to the pricing, this is how much it would cost. You have the free plan, and then the 0 to 50 orders, and the 50 to 200 orders right here, and the 200 to 500 orders right here. So it would cost per order. And this is the features that you would get. And now you can also see the reviews right here, and they are all really good. As you can see with their rating, we have a 4.8. And now the third app on our list is the sticky add to cart button right here by GA. The key to more purchases is increasing your add to cart rate. This app does just that by keeping the add to cart button visible as customers scroll through your store, as you can see right here. So this is how it would look like. And this free app ensures that customers can easily add items to their cart without having to scroll back up, streamlining the shopping experiences, boosting conversions. So with this sticky add to cart app, you'll see an increase in add to cart rates, which directly translate to more sales. As you can see right here, this is how it would look like. You could customize how it would look like or design. Then you can also go back here, and as you can see, the price is free. When you scroll down, you can see the pricing right here. As you can see, we don't have that anymore because it's just for free right here, and it also has a good rating right here of 4.8. So yeah, that is the best part about this. It's for free. You don't have to pay for anything, and it's already a really good app right here. As you can see, this is how it would look like. And now, before revealing the final app, a quick word of caution: be mindful of the number of apps you add to your store. While these apps may be beneficial, but too many of them can slow down your website, affecting load times and conversions. Aim for a balanced approach, keeping your store lean and fewer than 5 essential apps for optimal performance. And now, finally, the last app on our list is Lucky Orange, Hitmaps, and Replay. So you can think of this app as the security camera of your website. It provides heat maps and session replays, giving you an in-depth look at how customers interact with your site. As you can see right here, this is the website, and then you can see here with the Lucky Orange, you can see that the element clicked where the customers are clicking right here. And when you go to the next one, you can see here in this heat map, and the redder parts are actually where the customers are more likely to pay attention or are interacting with your website. This insight is invaluable for pinpointing areas that need improvement and identifying what's driving customers away. Although Lucky Orange can slow down your site, it's worth using for a short period, about 1 to 2 months, for testing and gathering critical data. This information will help you optimize your store's layout, making data-driven decisions to enhance customer experience and boost sales. So yeah, this is not for a long term. This app is only for a short term when you're just starting out your site and you're testing if your website is now well optimized. Then Lucky Orange is the app for that one, so that you are sure that you are placing the right elements in the right places so that the customers can interact with them and that they are in the scope of interest of the consumers. So there you have it. Those are my best Shopify apps in increasing sales. So I hope I helped you in picking the right apps in this video. Thank you for watching.